I've analyzed thousands of works and thousands of authors to provide you with the answer of when you are able to publish your masterpiece and help you understand if you're actually too old or too young to start writing. Since I started writing in 2019, I had moments where I actually doubted whether I still have enough time to publish my masterpiece. Then, of course, what I did is procrastinate and look up on the internet the biographies of famous writers and try to understand when they wrote their masterpiece. And based on that, I tried to discover, well, I'm too old to start writing. I'm recording this video to save you this time, to save you this investigation of looking into it. I will help you identify if you are actually too old to start working on your masterpiece. There's an infographic that I found on Reddit which lists famous authors and the ages when they published their breakthrough books. Let's go through the list, for example. Jack Kerouac published his breakthrough book at the age of 26. Stephen King, 32. J.K. Rowling, 33. Aldous Huxley, 39. George R.R. Martin published Game of Thrones when he was 43 years old. Can you now see when the right time is to start writing? Can you now see when you will be able to publish your masterpiece? The answer is, of course, no. You won't find out looking at the biography of other authors. There is not a single correlation between success in writing and age. If you notice that you are asking yourself this question, think about my first video on this channel. Think about the only piece of writing advice that you should actually consider. And it is, if you think about yourself, start thinking about your novel. If you think about your novel, stop thinking about yourself. All of the questions related to your person when you think about your work, about writing, are unnecessary. Don't think about your age. Don't think about your ethnicity. Don't think about anything related to that. Just focus on your work. This will bring you closer to publishing your masterpiece. For example, if there was the rule that at age 64 you are not able to publish your masterpiece anymore, even if that was the case, you should still keep on writing. You owe it to the world. You owe it to your characters. You owe it to your story. This is not about financial success. This is not about starting a career. So the next time you ask yourself whether I'm old enough to start writing, whether I still have enough time to work on my masterpiece, stop these thoughts. Stop them immediately and go work on your novel.